Welcome to Keep Calm and Borrow on Hoopla. Our doors may be closed, but the library is still open for you 24/7. We have many ways for you to continue to enjoy the library from home, but Hoopla is my personal favorite. Via Hoopla, Watertown residents have access to free eBooks, audiobooks, movies, TV shows, music, and comics. You have 10 borrows a month, and there is no waiting. Even better, for a limited time, Hoopla is offering 1,000+ titles as bonus borrows. Let me walk you through how to set up a Hoopla account. You can get to Hoopla through our library website, which is found under eLibrary. Or you can go directly to hoopladigital.com. Click Get Started today. Fill in your preferred email address and repeat. Next, enter a password for Hoopla. You are creating a new password. This can be unique or a password that you've used before. Click Agree. Choose your library by entering the library name or zip code. Enter your library card in full, no spaces, and then click Sign Me Up. Now you can log in with your email and Hoopla password. Hoopla is also available via free apps on Apple, Android, and Amazon devices. Just go to your phone or tablet's app store and search for Hoopla Digital. Now that you're in, you can find titles by browsing by format, category, and what's featured. You can also stream video via the Hoopla app on Chromecast, Apple TV, Android TV, Fire TV, and Roku. Audio streaming is available for Alexa-enabled devices too. Or you can use a keyword and search by title, author, or artist. For example, you can search by Little Women, which will lead you to multiple results for Louisa May Alcott's classic in ebook format, audiobook format, and music. So go ahead and browse until your heart's content. When you find a title you like, click on it to find out more info and then click Borrow. Titles will return automatically, so there are no late fees. If you have borrows left, you can check out the same title again or something new. Books, in all their forms, are available to you for 3 weeks. Music checks out for 1 week. Movies are available for 72 hours, and the same goes for TV episodes. I hope you have enjoyed this brief introduction to our Hoopla service, where everything is free to you and always available. If you have questions, please contact the library via our website. Be well, keep calm, and borrow on with Hoopla and the WFPL.